When we think of sugar drinks, we usually picture refreshment, comfort, or a sweet indulgence to enjoy during a busy day. Rarely do we consider that the very sugars making these beverages so appealing, fructose and glucose, could play a covert role in cancer progression. Yet the recent study published in Nature Metabolism reveals exactly that. Sugary drinks act as a hidden ingredient in cancer's success recipe, providing energy and support that empower colorectal cancer cells to grow, move, and spread. While the idea may sound alarming at first, the research also brings clarity, hope, and actionable strategies, offering insights that turn a potential threat into an opportunity for prevention and intervention. Imagine the body as a busy kitchen, where each cell plays a role in preparing, cooking, and maintaining the system. Most cells follow the recipes of healthy metabolism, keeping everything running smoothly. Cancer cells, however, are like chefs attempting to improvise a recipe that they shouldn't have access to, creating dishes that disrupt the balance of the kitchen. Sugar from beverages becomes the secret ingredient, and SORD, a naturally occurring enzyme, acts like the sous chef, converting this ingredient into energy the rogue cells can use. Together, sugar and SORD provide cancer cells with the fuel to leave their usual environment, adapt to new surroundings, and establish themselves in other areas of the body. A simple soda, juice, or sweetened tea transforms at the molecular level into a recipe that inadvertently supports cancer's ambitions. The positive angle of this research lies in the understanding it provides. For years, the connection between sugar and cancer was discussed in broad terms, often speculative. Now, the pathway is clear. Sugar fuels SORD, SORD energizes cancer cells, and cancer cells gain mobility. This precision empowers scientists to intervene in targeted ways. Potential therapies could regulate or inhibit SORD, effectively removing the enzyme's ability to turn sugar into cancer fuel while preserving its essential role in normal metabolism. What once seemed like an uncontrollable factor in disease progression now becomes a defined target for strategic action, opening doors to smarter treatments and improved patient outcomes. The study also offers practical guidance for individuals. Reducing sugary drink consumption is not only about managing calories or blood sugar, it's a tangible way to limit the energy available to cancer cells. Choosing water, unsweetened beverages, or whole fruits instead of soda or sweetened tea deprives cancer cells of a key ingredient in their success recipe, slowing their movement and reducing their potential to spread. Every conscious choice becomes a meaningful act of prevention, showing that daily decisions have real, measurable effects at the cellular level. Knowledge, in this sense, transforms into power and opportunity. Another encouraging insight is the nuance surrounding SORD itself. The enzyme is not inherently harmful. It is a critical part of normal metabolism, helping cells convert sugar into usable energy for healthy functions. The issue arises only when excess sugar meets cancer cells, creating conditions that support metastasis. This specificity is hopeful because it allows interventions to be targeted, precise, and minimally disruptive to normal biology. It demonstrates that biology is not a threat we are powerless against, but a system we can understand, influence, and guide through informed choices and scientific insight. Ultimately, sugar drinks, the hidden ingredient in cancer's success recipe, reframes the narrative around sugary beverages from innocent indulgences to influential but manageable contributors in cancer progression. The study illuminates a clear mechanism, identifies actionable targets for intervention, and emphasizes the importance of awareness and lifestyle choices in protecting our health. Sugar may serve as a hidden ingredient that fuels cancer cells, but with knowledge, prevention, and targeted science, we can remove that ingredient from the equation, slow cancer spread, and create a healthier, more resilient internal environment. What initially seems like a secret recipe for disaster becomes, through understanding and action, a recipe for hope, control, and long-term well-being.